gonna dig this.
Oh, yeah. Perfect.
Right now, we're keeping it in the UK. You be making a lot of noise online. Cock, hot in the building. You know what time it is when you hear this, right?
Now it's time to rumble.
You know you're doing shit properly when you got loads of haters, but they still can't get enough of me though I'm so contagious. They know the flow sounds lovely like Sunday roast potatoes. Coulda got them twitching through curtains like there's some nosy neighbours. Know my way around rhythms like me way around a Stella crate. Chuck me any beat, I'm cool, calm, I never hesitate. Catch one out of bars, yeah that's just something they ain't ever say. The rap game's a mess, boy I'm here to paint and decorate. Yeah, chop me the beat and then chop me the brush, and you know that I'm sweeping it through. I had to commit on with lyrics, I'm sick of the gimmicks, it's something I needed to do. The flows got sweeter, the cinema beats are diminishing, and this ain't even the tunes. In 2018 I've been shelling them, giving it lemon as soon as I step in the room. They think I'm good when they ain't even heard the alphabet. It's fire every time and now they treat me like an arsonist. Had to grab a water, had to lay up off the lagers quick, cause I ain't trying to go at 45 like my father did. Nah, I ain't trying to DIE, I'm trying to live my best life, kill every beat I see. They treat me like notorious, they trying to be like me, but boy my gut's the only thing remotely B.I.G. But fans around the world, and so I ain't bothered if I hit your playlist. When it comes to this I never practice, yeah I skip the basics. Why they trying to talk like I ain't been doing this shit for ages? When it comes to spitting, now I'm lyrically sophisticated. You switch it like this and I'm killing them quick, and you know there ain't nothing you're telling them. Coming like Tony Montana with pearly white gunners, and I'm about to fly like a pelican. Now they try to tell them I'm sick and they think that they're sick. I will tell them I'm me with the medicine, wait for the drop, it's the evidence, calm them down. All them boys are irrelevant. Smokey in the booth, now they're all about to catch a nasty cough. For years they was trying to burst the bubble, but it's hard to pop. I keep it parallel just like the transit when I park it off. And never in my life did I think I'd rap in front of Charlie Sloth. Bosh.
Come on now! Yes! I see you, bro, you're getting in!
Lovely. I was only having fun with that one though. Let's get a bit lyrical with this next one, shall we?
Alright then.
Bosh.
Yeah. Woo! He's heating up. Tack high in the building!
Bosh.
Come on, eh?
Let's have it. Listen. You wanna chat about flow, tell a fella come try me. I grew up on Chipmunk, Skepta, Wiley. When I'm in the booth, about 10 beers deep, but I still turn up and the flow's still tidy. Talent can't nobody question that. It's £2 for a verse, no less than that. Ain't nobody wanna know me when I was on the arse, and now they see me doing well, they wanna pest the cat. Anyway, I'm still gonna switch it any way that I like. I tell them open up their mind, put the hate in the side. I tell them take my advice, start taking your time, cause most of rappers getting paid and still ain't making it rhyme. They love it when I pull up 2 Stellas in a side tour. Said he had bars, told him what you got a lie for. Gotta talk tracks, I got a flow they would die for. Fuck a left arm, bet they give their right eye for anything if they could do it anyway. Similar pint of Stella, pack of Chris, I got the salt and the vinegar, few beers and a fair few crumbs on me top. Anytime I'm on the sesh, better lunge for the mop. Cack's back now, tell him it's time out. Said he's got lyrics, they don't wanna get mine out. Heard a couple fellas trying to say they got flows, let me get them in the booth, guarantee we're gonna find out. Head straight now, coming back with vengeance. Compare me to these rappers, I ain't seeing the resemblance. Had to put a stop to the 3-day benders. No more bugle, no more Benzes.
Yes! That's the boss!
What you reckon, any good?
Alright, Tack high in the building!
He's on fire!
I think you're so hard, bro, seriously. So hard, honestly. Bars are cold.
That's after 10 pints and all.
I thought you said 15 earlier.
Yeah, no, I lied to you.
Yeah. And that right there is fire in the booth. Yes! I hope you enjoyed that video. Now make sure you click here to subscribe to the channel. It's so important that you subscribe. Subscribing keeps me alive. Click here to check out the latest Fire in the Booth video. Click right there to check out the artist music on Apple Music. Sick. And then click here to check out the artist's latest music video. How about that, Steve? Put that in your pipe and yeah. Lovely.
আকাশে আজ কালো মেঘে জমেছে বৃষ্টি না হয় ঝড় উঠবে দু চোখের জলে আজ স্রোতধারা বইছে সাধ্য কি বলো কে রুখবে আমি চাই না এমন সুখ বৃষ্টি ধারা, চাই না হতে কোনো উপমা। আমি চাই না এমন সুখ বৃষ্টি ধারা, চাই না হতে কোনো উপমা। মনের আকাশে আজ কালো মেঘ জমেছে, বৃষ্টি না হয় ঝড় উঠবে। ছোট ছোট ভুলগুলো করে দিল এলোমেলো, ভাঙলো সাজানো ঘর, করলো তোমায় পর। ছোট ছোট ভুলগুলো করে দিল এলোমেলো, ভাঙলো সাজানো ঘর, করলো তোমায় পর। দিয়ে গেল শুধু যন্ত্রণা, আমি চাই না এমন সুখ বৃষ্টি ধারা, চাই না হতে কোনো উপমা। আমি চাই না এমন সুখ বৃষ্টি ধারা, চাই না হতে কোনো উপমা। মনের আকাশে আজ কালো মেঘে জমেছে, বৃষ্টি না হয় ঝড় উঠবে। প্রতিদিন বেলা শেষে নীরে পাখি ফিরে আসে, ফিরবে না তুমি আর হবে না তো অভিশাপ। প্রতিদিন বেলা শেষে নীরে পাখি ফিরে আসে, ফিরবে না তুমি আর হবে না তো অভিশাপ। দেবে কে বলো সান্ত্বনা, আমি চাই না এমন সুখ বৃষ্টি ধারা, চাই না হতে কোনো উপমা। আমি চাই না এমন সুখ বৃষ্টি ধারা, চাই না হতে কোনো উপমা। মনের আকাশে আজ কালো মেঘ জমেছে, বৃষ্টি না হয় ঝড় উঠবে। দু চোখের জলে আজ স্রোতধারা বইছে, সাধ্য কি বলো কে রুখবে। আমি চাই না এমন সুখ বৃষ্টি ধারা, চাই না হতে কোনো উপমা। আমি চাই না এমন সুখ বৃষ্টি ধারা, চাই না হতে কোনো উপমা। মনের আকাশে আজ কালো মেঘ জমেছে, বৃষ্টি না হয় ঝড় উঠবে।